Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful fillet stitch called Mairenn Filet Stitch. This is worked over multiples of 12 plus 4 foundation chains, and it's a repeat of 2 to 5 rows. So I shall make the required number of chains with Sand Green Hobby Store Acrylic 100% premium yarn. It is anti-pill yarn with color code 2022. This I worked with Pearl Aran yarn. So let me make the required number of chains and get back to you. To begin with, make a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and fourth chain from the hook. The skipped chains count as the first DC. Then place one double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. Oh, sorry, it's twisted. One minute. So we'll have 6 double crochets in the beginning of the row. Now chain 3, skip 2 chains and make 1 DC each in each of the next 5 chains. So the stitch repeat begins from here. 1 DC each in each of the next 5 chains. Now chain 3, skip 2 and place 1 DC in each of the last 6 chains here. For row 2, either chain 3 and turn, or turn, make a DC in the very first DC. 1 DC each in each of the next 3 DCs. So we have ideally 4 DCs here. Chain 3, single crochet under the chain 3 space, chain 3, skip 2 double crochets and place 1 double crochet each on each of the next 6 double crochets. Chain 3, single crochet under chain 3 space, chain 3, skip 2 double crochets and place 1 double crochet each on the last 4 double crochets. So do not forget to place your double crochet in the turning chain here. That is very, very important. And pick up these both loops. So it might be little tough or little dicey, but yeah. So henceforth we are going to make only the starting bases. You have the option of chaining 3 and turning, or turn and make a double crochet in the very first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, chain 3, single crochet under chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet under next chain 3 space, chain 3, skip 2 and place a double crochet in the next and 1 double crochet in the next. So we have reduced it to 10, 6 and 2. Chain 3, skip the next 2 double crochets, place a single crochet under chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet under next chain 3 space, chain 3, skip 2 double crochets and place 1 double crochet in the last 2 double crochets. I had made the turning DC, and so this V is little tight. Yes. You chain 3 and start, or turn, make the standing double crochet as usual. 1 double crochet on the next double crochet, 2 double crochets under the chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet under next chain 3 space, chain 3, 2 double crochets under the next chain 3 space, one double crochet each on the next 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet under chain 3 space, chain 3, 2 double crochets under the next chain 3 space, this is a very simple pattern actually. So once the complete pattern repeat is made, we will get a fair idea, and we can work this blindly, no issues at all. Yeah. Now next, either chain 3 and turn, or turn and make the standing twisted double crochet, 1 double crochet each on the next 3 double crochets, two double crochets under the chain 3 space, chain 3, two double crochets under the next chain 3 space, one double crochet each on each of the next 6 double crochets, two double crochets under chain 3 space, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, and 1 double crochet each on each of the last double crochets. There will be 4, so for this row it begins with 6, 10, 6. Sorry friends. So this completes one complete pattern repeat. The pattern repeat are rows 2 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So repeat pattern rows, instructions for rows 2, 3, 4 and 5 to the desired length of your project. So this is how it will look. This is a 2 repeat. Sorry, 3 repeats. 1, 2 and 3 repeats for this center. Thank you friends for viewing this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every day. Please do like and subscribe and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.